It's mine, whose world is this?
Taking over in the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks off fire you desire, but rock maybe flip. It's season, you never trip, get them early, you never miss, no bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World.
Hey yo, what's good y'all, it's your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video. Listen, today's video, you see from the title, you see from the thumbnail, it's gonna be an unboxing of the fall winter 19 Supreme, Mary J. Blige, and sock. I got some socks as well. So I'm gonna open that here on the channel, man. If you've been watching my channel for a while, that was my first time doing a live cop in that Supreme live cop video. It was a little sloppy or whatever, but you know, it is what it is, man. I don't go for a lot of Supreme stuff throughout all of the season or anything like that. I've been pretty successful. Everything that I went for, the few times that I went for something on Supreme, I actually hit on. But I don't go for things every week. The stuff is overpriced, and a lot of the stuff don't make sense to me as far as the stuff that, you know what I'm saying, this orange shirts and hoodies and stuff like that. I really don't get it. But it's not for me to get, you know what I'm saying? I'm an old man, so maybe it's a young person thing, I don't know. But I did want to get this Mary J. Blige tee because I'm an 80s baby. So, you know what I'm saying, that's part of the culture, and I had to, you know what I'm saying, I had to be a part of it. So we're going to do that. But also, before we get into that, what I wanted to talk about is this Support These Nuts hoodie. I've never worn this hoodie. I actually, I support my local shops. So Soul Classics, they had a mystery box. Mystery box that I purchased for a really, really affordable price. And that was one of the things that came. Now, I don't know how long, that was months and months and months ago. But I'm not going to wear that hoodie. I just can't. I mean, at first it took me a second to really figure out what support. I knew Support These Nuts, but what it is, obviously being in Columbus where the Buckeyes support these nuts, is a play on words of the Buckeyes. So, but what I want to do, I want to give this hoodie away. When my son saw it, he said it was a no-go for me wearing it. So, you know what I'm saying? When Joso say, you know what I'm saying, I don't feel comfortable with you rocking it, I ain't gonna rock it, man. I'm all about the kids. So what I wanna do, a little giveaway, man. This is a size medium, never worn, never tried on. It's supporting my home, I mean, not my hometown, but supporting here in Columbus. But it's also funny, man. Support These Nuts. If it wasn't for my son, I would have wore it a long time. I would have wore it the next day. But I'm gonna do a little giveaway on this hoodie. So what I'm going to do, anybody that comments down below, you have to be subscribed to the channel, all the regular giveaway stuff, you know what I'm saying, be subscribed to the channel. I don't care if you follow me on IG or anything like that, but be subscribed to the channel and comment down below, Support These Nuts, in the comment section down below if you're interested in this hoodie. If you can fit it, if you know somebody that can fit it. You don't have to wear a medium, but if you know somebody that will wear it and rock it, it's free. I'm gonna ship it out. You ain't gonna charge you no shipping or anything like that. It's from me to you guys, my supporters. I'm gonna probably do like a week or so, probably a week from today. I'm gonna do a little live raffle, and we'll see who wins this Support These Nuts hoodie. All right, so let's get into the meat and potatoes of this video and why you guys are here. I'm gonna try. I don't know if I will or not, so don't hold me to it, but I'm gonna try to do maybe a little try on of the socks and the t-shirt on these, because these are for the personal. I don't even know what the resale, I didn't even look and see what resale prices are for this. I plan on wearing it. So I'm gonna see what all comes in here, make sure it's hopefully this stuff fits, this shirt fits, and we're gonna see if they give me like any stickers or whatever the rest of the stuff that comes with this stuff. All right, we got some stickers. Save the planet, kill yourself sticker. That's the type of stuff I be talking about. I can't relate to this stuff. You got, this look like Supreme Super Cream. It looks like the Jergens bottle sticker. And this is the new box logo sticker. It's a scratch off, I'm assuming. Matter of fact, what I'll do, whoever wins this hoodie will also get to scratch off the new box logo sticker as well. It's gonna be a little tandem giveaway. And this is the free gift, the little parachute soldier toy that comes with it. Uh-oh, something blew away. And then we're going, and I don't have a Supreme bag. They put everything right in the shipping bag. Okay. First things first, we'll start off with these, which is practical to me. The price isn't practical on a pair of socks, but the fact that you get 4 pairs is cool. They're just Hanes socks with Supreme stitched at the ankle or however high the calf, however high they come up. But I'll actually wear these. And I don't own a pair of all red socks. I could have got the black pair, but I own all black Nike socks. So I feel, you know what I'm saying, a little slight hype beast flex, you know what I'm saying? So that's cool. Now, what we're here for, and I'm not gonna keep this in the bag because I'm actually planning on wearing this. I got this size medium Mary J. Blige tee in navy because I felt like that was the best colorway for me, personally. So let's look at it, see what we got going on. It's actually really, really dark navy. This is a deep, deep navy. It's a nice quality t-shirt. It actually looks kind of vintage. Like it looks kind of faded already with the graphic. I don't know if I love it. I like it. I'm gonna wait till I put it on body to see how I really feel about it. But as far as the image, it looks like, you know, when you get a grainy image off of the internet and then you try to press it onto a t-shirt, and this is kind of what you get. This is her album cover, and it says Supreme Real Love album cover for Mary J. Blige. And I think I'm gonna throw this on body real quick, man, just to see if I like the way it fits. So it's a dope t-shirt though. This grainy image is throwing me off a little bit, but it gives you that little vintage feel, man, 80s baby, you feel me? So I'm gonna throw it on, see how I feel about it. So let me change real quick. Alright y'all got to see the full on body, you know what I'm saying, of the Mary J. Blige tee, man. I appreciate y'all coming to watch another one of my videos, and like I said, listen, support these nuts. Support these nuts giveaway hoodie, size medium. Comment support these nuts down below. That shit sound weird. Comment support these nuts in the comment section down below if you want to be entered into the giveaway for the hoodie. And don't forget that I'm also going to be adding the scratch off Supreme box logo in that giveaway as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, man. I don't know if I'm gonna reach my goal. Only got a couple days to reach my goal of 2,000 supporters by the end of this month, but it's all good, man. I don't want anybody to ever think that not reaching a goal means that you failed, man. It just means you're a goal setter, and I'm a goal setter, man. So we're gonna see how close we get. I'm still thankful for every single one of the people that continue to support my channel and support these nuts. And I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Obi!